Activity 23, Part 1, Learning about Trills. Part 1 covers the right hand trills. Okay, so we're going to be doing trilling in a number of different finger combinations now. So the first combination will be 3 and 1. This is a very rotational one. Whenever you skip a finger, so in this case we're skipping number 2, you're able to rotate quite freely. If you play neighbouring fingers, there's not as much rotation possible, but there's more finger work, so they both have their advantages and you'd use them in different situations. So let's try now 3 and 1. We're just going to do one line at a time. First line. So that felt quite easily with the rotation. Let's try now the 4 and 2 on the same thing. 4 and 2 also works really great with the rotation, and I find that it has a little bit more depth than 3 and 1. 4 and 2, 3 and 1. So, moving on to 3 and 2 now, this is going to be more of a fingery one. That gives more of a bright, sparkly sound, but it's a little bit harder to sustain for a long time than a rotational one. Rotational ones, you can just do them all day long. It's quite easy once you practice them. Okay, now the final one that we have is a 3-1-3-2. I'm going to play this very slowly, counting out loud first. 3, 1, 3, 2. And just lift off the right hand in between. 3, 1, 3, lift. 3, 1, 3, lift. Sorry. The lifting doesn't quite work there. Let's do it without the lifting. 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2. Now we go. We'll do it with lifting here. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2. Let's just practice that last one lots of times with the lifts and try and get quicker. So it has the advantage of being in and pull out, in, out. So your hand gets to move in this direction, forwards and backwards. So if we practice in, back, 3 in and back, 3 in. And feel this natural, comfortable. This is another one that you could keep going all day long. So, if I play that first line, I have. So you go through the whole piece in using those various combinations. One line at a time, I would do it. But when you get to the last 2 lines, just go back to the original fingering. This is a very big job with the trills, but it's worth it because you will be trilling a lot as you become more and more advanced in your playing. Happy practicing.